When we say what you seek is seeking you, it is something that a famous Sufi saint Rumi said centuries ago. And it is not just a philosophical concept, it is something that is the basis of entire universe, how the universe works. The universe is not a dark or inert place like we mostly in Newtonian mechanics try to understand. With quantum physics, consciousness does play a role. Everything is energy, everything around us is made up of energy. And we are energies ourselves, and our consciousness is associated, is a part of the huge divine cosmic consciousness. We are a part in that. But again, a quote by Rumi, you're not just a drop in the ocean, you are an entire ocean in the drop. So understand this. We have the power to create our own reality. We have the power to change the things around us in our own lives. And when we begin to change our own selves, the part of us will change from within, and that is connected with the entire universe, which is outside us, which apparently seems is beyond us. But when we change on the inside, the entire universe is going to make a shift and a change around us. And this is how law of attraction actually works. No matter how many techniques or methods you apply, till the time you don't shift your belief from believing in a dark and inert universe and just keep on trying without the right belief, without the right faith, without the right trust, things are not going to happen. Gratitude is the most important part of establishing your concept with the entire universe and helping you understand your connections and your own divinity. Gratitude will make you powerful. People think that pride and ego does make you powerful. Temporarily, yes, they do make you powerful. But if you really have to grow, if you really have to adopt, if you really have to progress in the long run, it should be based on gratitude. It should be on understanding how divine you are, how amazing you are, how powerful you are, how amazingly you can create your own life and your own destiny. And that should be something which should make you grateful for the universe to having had manifest you, rather than making you arrogant or proud or something which is being like rude or impolite to others. So when you understand this concept about how amazing, how polite, how awesome you are, then you'll automatically find gratitude. Then automatically law of attraction will start working for you. It is about making this shift in mindset first. Mostly people try to change the things outside without making any effort to change the part of universe which is within them, which is them. And this is why most people fail. Law of attraction is right belief with right action. And both the parts are equally important. You need to work on developing the right belief by practicing gratitude, by doing meditation, by understanding your connection with the universe and understanding your significance in this entire divine cosmos and having gratitude for that. And right action. You should not just sit and wait for things to happen. Never. You should put your efforts, you should do your part, you should make your efforts, you should do your own stuff, and you should always be progressing, you should always be moving on, you should always be doing something. But every time the effort should not be in the external world, in the physical sense. Many times our efforts and our hard work has to be inside us, or in our belief system, in our own mindset, in our own internal being. And when the effort is there, things will start changing in the external too. So remember, both internal efforts and external efforts with right belief, with right intention, in the right direction, with the right action is guaranteed to give you any result, anything you wish for or desire for in your life. Start manifesting those changes in your life today. Have a great day and great life, everyone.